Alright everybody, right now I got the truck in the garage, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking off the fenders so we can get at this front fascia part. But if you look underneath right now, it's destroyed. There's bolts up top and everything, so I'm just going to have to get through. And then we got these ones up here. Those ones should be fairly easy. I'm gonna have to take off this part right here, but maybe we'll clean up this thing. Yeah. Alright, let's get at her. Alright, so we're just gonna take off these right now, and then we'll go from there. This is a 1/2 inch. This is the size we need. Next part is this part, and there's, I think, four holding it on. We're gonna get that inside done right now. So, grab the ratchet, come around. I always hear these other YouTubers always complaining about, oh, I can't deal with the camera and everything in one hand while I'm taking apart all this stuff. So there's the other two right there. I find it funny. Pop this. Oh yeah, lighting's great. I can't get it up with the deep socket.
Oh, we're stuck with this one. I think it's the adapter, but yeah, this is annoying now.
There. Put that with the other ones. Alright, and the last one is right there. So, hopefully I can get it without the extension. Maybe through here. Yeah. Oh boy. Let's see if we can find that quick. Got you. Alright, that's the last one. I'll pull it back up. Alright. Here we go. So there's one there. I have no idea about the door. Just a leaf there. Okay, that one's bigger.
I'm split this video too. that pipe laying around the ace out so much. I don't always find stuff in there either. Okay, wait. So you can't even see it.
We got it. Let's see what's wrong with it. Just rusty. Alright. Let's check underneath to see if there's any. Slide you over. Uh-oh. Alright, there's one right there. And that looks to be it. You just have the ones up there. Alright, I'll be back once I have this one off a little bit. Alright, it's the next day. I let the PB blaster set in and everything. I got the bolts out this morning, and I just had to grind a little piece. So right now it should be ready to come right off. So, this is a moment of truth. Aha. Looks so bare now. So there's the fender. Came off. Alright, time to look at the front fascia. So I had to grind a little bit of stuff right here. There's still a bolt that I couldn't get off. So this piece right, you can't see that. This piece here is still part of the fender, but it wasn't coming off. This one isn't as bad as I thought. There's a few little holes there. And then on this side it's in pretty good shape. This is the next piece that comes off. But that'll be for later. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little work session. And I will see you when I'm working on it next.